Hi, I'm Jen Woodhouse from the House of Wood. I'm a self-taught builder, DIYer, and blogger. I'm always problem-solving, designing and building everything from furniture, accessories, to outdoor living spaces. Today, I am thrilled to introduce the Avant Collection, a new line of outdoor accents decorative hardware from a brand that I've used and trusted for years, Simpson Strong-Tie. I've built with outdoor accents hardware before, and it's a great way for homeowners or DIYers to add strength and beauty to any outdoor structure. Pergolas, gazebos, arbors, anything you can dream up. Outdoor Accents has this beautiful black powder-coated finish that really gives your projects a boost in style. And they're tested for strength, safety, and performance, so you know they're gonna last. Like the Outdoor Accents Mission Collection, Avant uses the hex head washer and fastener combo from Outdoor Accents Essentials. So you get the look of a bolted connection, but installation is as quick and easy as driving a screw. This new Avant collection has a simple, clean look. With these straight edges and chamfered corners, they complement just about every design. We built this gorgeous pavilion in less than 2 days. How's that for a fast and easy way to make your backyard more beautiful? Want to build a great outdoor project like this one? Check out all the Simpson Strong-Tie Outdoor Accents collections.